Hello, welcome back to Python programming. The next topic is in string methods. So string methods, the lower, string.lower, dot upper, and one more important is string.strip, strip. So we can strip the spaces, we can strip the commas, we can strip the whatever you want. There are many other things like string dot replace, find, str dot find. So like that, many are there. If you use some a is equal to hello world, let us say. If you write like this, so let us say y is equal to a dot upper. So what happens? Directly, the all the values will be goes as the upper like this. So just save it as and just see how the program will be look. String methods, print y. Okay, save. So hello world, which is in the lower case, this change it to uppercase, right? So this way we can use different string methods. And one more thing I want to discuss is which one. So strip is very important. How we can use a strip is yeah, we can use strip in different aspects. The strip is to strip the values. Let us say we want to strip the spaces. There is a string, okay. Python. Let us say Python, and I am giving so much spaces. Now just write down like y is equal to a dot strip and print yeah y comma is a good programming language. If you write like this, just copy and just try to execute here. Just save it. See here, y is a good programming language, not y actually. Sorry, here just see here. Yeah, like now just see. Sorry, here we need to give some comma, right? Yeah, this here not a comma. Okay, yes, right. The Python is good programming language. So here I given a space, that's why I am getting. So even more space is there here, but till it is not affected. Yes or no? Just here see. Here the Python is a good programming language. Yes, programming. So want to strip the all the spaces, so you can use this type of strip. We can use strip the commas, we can do the whatever you want. So this is one of the important string method actually. Okay, a is equal to hello world, y is equal to a dot find world. So if you right click print y, so it prints. Just see what happens. Just see here. Hello world. Just type this world. World is, yeah, it is a string, right? You need to write within the quotes. Okay. just write down C. So in which position it is there actually, in which place? So in which place it is there actually? 0 1 0 0 1 2 3 4 5 sixth position. Sixth position it is there. That's why the output shows as 6. Okay. So this way we can yeah, we can see this methods of programming. So these are different methods, and there are replace and many other that there. And we can use these methods based on the requirements. Okay, so this is about a string methods.